Hello everyone, welcome to another guest internet video. Today I'm going to answer a question that many people ask. How can I sell internet services to my community? Well, it's actually pretty straightforward. First of all, you need the equipment to sell the internet service, and you also need an internet connection. The internet connection can be a Starlink antenna, it can be maybe a 4G connection if you're able to connect to a 4G router, but that's the most important thing. Connect to the internet. Then you can share that with your community and you can sell it to the community. The lowest cost method of sharing and selling an internet service is with the Guest Internet Star 15 kit. Now, the Star 15 kit has two parts. One is a controller, which is also wireless. This is the part that actually controls access and allows you to print vouchers and things like that. This also comes with a Star 15 kit. This is an outdoor wireless access point, so this goes on the roof, and so you can provide internet inside the building with this and also outside the building with that. Now, how far does this go? Well, the range depends on the device that you're connecting to it. If you're connecting a mobile phone, then the range is about 50 meters to 100 meters. It's limited by the mobile phone. If, on the other hand, you use one of our Star 4 kits to connect to home, then the range can be much more. It can be a kilometer or even a little bit more than a kilometer. Okay, so those are the equipments that you need. And as I said, that's the lowest cost approach to sharing the service. Now, what about selling the service? Well, what this product has is software which allows you to print vouchers. And each voucher has an access code. And so you can print a sheet of vouchers like this. Each voucher has a unique access code. And the person who gets this access code uses the access code to connect to the internet. Now, once you've printed those vouchers, you can chop them up so that they look like this. So each person gets one of those vouchers. Some people even print the access code on scratch-off cards like this one. So there are many ways of providing this for people, okay? Now, once the person has the access code, that person uses the mobile device or the laptop computer to connect to the wireless, either indoors with this or outdoors with that. And once the person connects to the wireless, the Wi-Fi, open a browser, get a login page, and then there's a box in the login page to put the code in. And so the code that is on this voucher is typed into the login page, click the button, and then you can connect to the internet. Now, when people prepare these codes, they prepare codes for a certain length of time, like 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week. And so depending on how the code was generated, then the person can stay logged into the internet for that length of time. So the person who is managing this service, who is printing the codes, that person is going to decide how long the codes are going to be valid for. Maybe 1 hour, maybe 4 hours, maybe 1 day. So that's a decision you make when you're preparing these. It's very, very easy to use this. It's plug and play. There's no complicated steps. We provide a document to explain exactly how to print these. It's the Star 15 installation guide. It's about a 20-page document. You follow it step by step, and eventually you get to the point where you can print the vouchers and sell the vouchers. For people who want to expand, there are other methods of selling the service. If you want to grow a network, have a bigger network, use more expensive equipment, you can charge for the service online using mobile money. But that's only when you start growing and have a bigger system. So initially, you're going to be printing the vouchers and selling the vouchers for internet access. Well, I hope that explains how you can make money selling internet in your community. If you have any questions, contact us. send us an email and we'll be very happy to help you out. So thanks for watching and see you next time.